as with most, it starts on an uphill, which isn't horrible by any stretch. Anyway, we'll get the day started. And I'll show you anything that is of interest as we go along. I think today's goal is going to be 10 miles into Pine Grove. So at least that's the goal as it stands right now. We'll see what lies ahead. Well, good morning. So it was a fairly chilly night last night. A little cooler than I expected, but still, wasn't a bad night. And it looks like it's going to be a glorious day again. Just leaving the shelter, Birch Run, and hang on. Well, so yeah, pretty much the same kind of terrain as yesterday. Not quite as hilly. Pretty much a short walk considering 10 miles. Looking at the profile, it's not really bad. So the elevation, I had one climb this morning and a couple of smaller ones later on, but I'm rambling. So thought I'd share what you see, some of what I see. Pretty much the same as yesterday. Didn't really expect anything more. But if I catch a view or something of interest, well, we'll do that too. I'm only about a mile in and didn't have any signal last night, so catching up with text messages and letting people know I'm good. So I'll be back, and let's just take a small walk here. All right, well, there you be. Thought I'd just do a short stint there, and we'll get back to you a little later. Here we go. Getting into fern season. Yeah. As far as you can see. Pretty cool. Look at this. There's nothing but ferns all on the forest floor. As we cross a dry stream bed. All right, thought that might be a little interesting aspect of the day. We'll get back to you. When you think you're not really that high up, yeah, you really are. How'd you like to climb that one? There you go. I mean, it's not horrible, but just saying. Completely forgot about this portion of the trail. So yeah, last year's halfway point. Well, as you can see, we busted out of the heavy woods or forest, and here now walking in probably a fire road, my guess. That or it's a road to the cabin. There's a cabin coming up. But yeah, it's a glorious day. Not hot out yet. Noticed I said yet. I'm sure it's going to get warm later on this afternoon. So, but yeah, just a lot of stuff throughout. Had a fire here a while back. You can tell. Can't smell it, but you can certainly see it. There's a couple there you can see. But, yep, moving on. This is what you call a nice cruisy trail. Yeah. Kind of like, reminds me of my younger days at military road marches. The difference is I don't have a rifle in my hand and a helmet on my head. And of course, I don't think the pack is quite as heavy. Another beautiful day. All right. There we go. A little teardrop tunnel. Yeah. Let's take you along for a little bit. It's been a very easy day today. I can't even believe I said that, but super easy. Pretty much the way it's been all morning, except for the first climb of the day. That wasn't even bad. Oh, there you go. That's a sweet sound on a warm day. All right. Well, we're almost to the shelter. We've really been making some damn good time today. So I think I'm gonna do a little siesta at the shelter and then move on into Pine Grove. All right. Well, there you have it. There you go, Tom's Run. Campsites all through. Nice little sitting area. This one blows my mind. Firewood. Unbelievable. And then, not quite sure what all that is down there, but interesting to say the least. A number of camp spots with some chairs and such. Nice little spot. All right, back on the trail. 4 more miles. Yeah, so that was a quick little snack break. I really didn't need it. I just thought, what the heck. In fact, I thought, oh, I'd take a little longer break, but heck, I'm feeling good, so why not? Let's roll with it. That's a wonderful shelter. And if you don't mind people, I'll bet you could put easily 40 people in there, and probably could turn into quite the party zone. Not my gig, but you know, just saying. All right, well, we're moving on. Pine Grove Furnace, next stop. Well, there's another halfway marker. It's an oldie though. And in case you want to mail a letter, yeah, let everybody know you made it halfway, I guess. All right, well, so there we have it. Made it to Pine Grove Furnace. And a real good time, actually. Pretty easy hike. I'm just heading to the truck now. And that completes a mini section. 20 miles. Yeah, we're killing it. We'll be back out here soon enough. And we'll see you then.